చూశారు కదా, ఫర్టిలిటీ అంటేనే 49 అని అర్థం. ఇది ఇండియాస్ బెస్ట్ ఫర్టిలిటీ హాస్పిటల్. 49 అంటే సంతానం, 49 అంటే సంతోషం.
39 Andhra Pradesh, Telangana.
An amount of 1,911.78 crores has been compensated by my government to 22.22 lakh farmers towards crop loss incurred due to natural disasters by way of input subsidy as immediate relief in the same season.
Supreme Court had to intervene, sir. They don't have the right to talk. Supreme Court had to intervene to give that money, sir.
To reduce post-harvest losses and improve quality of output, 1,492 post-harvest infrastructure like integrated pack houses, cold storages, minimal processing units, ripening chambers are being established with a capacity of 6.50 lakh metric tons. Recognizing the need to support families who lost their bread-earning farmers due to distress, ex gratia to family of any farmer who commits suicide has been enhanced to 7 lakhs. Under YSR Jalakala, 2 lakh free borewells are planned to be drilled in a span of 4 years within a financial outlay of 2,340 crores, benefiting more than 18 lakh farmers. During financial year 2022-23, so far 6,931 borewells were drilled with an expenditure of 188.84 crores and 9,629 beneficiaries were benefited. 9 hours of quality electricity is being provided for agriculture free of cost. Under the scheme, an amount of rupees 27,800 crores have been given as subsidy so far. Government is also providing electricity on subsidized cost to aqua farmers up to 10 acres. So far, an expenditure of 2,647 crores has been paid as subsidy to aqua farmers. My government has devised several crop diversification plans from paddy and other cereals to millets with a specific calendar of events marking the UNO's declaration of 2023 as the International Year of Millets. My government has identified horticulture, livestock and fisheries sectors as growth engines that are driving the agricultural economy of the state. The state ranks first in productivity of oil palm, papaya, lime, cocoa, tomato, coconut and chilies, second in mango, sweet orange and turmeric in India, and stood third in the implementation of micro irrigation at the national level. In area coverage, out of top 10 districts in the country, 2 districts are from Andhra Pradesh. Another sector allied to agriculture and contributing largely to the state economy is livestock sector. My government has taken initiatives to increase the income of farmers through productivity enhancement of animals, ensuring remunerative prices to the livestock products and making the fodder resources available to the farmers. The state continues to be the best performer in the country in the production of egg, meat and milk. The state stands at first in egg production, 2,645 crore eggs. Second in meat production, 10.26 lakhs metric tons. And fifth in milk production, 152.03 lakh metric tons in the country. The services of The services of Dr. YSR Sanchara Pashu Arogya Seva with 340 mobile veterinary clinics were launched in 2 phases with an outlay of 252.91 crores